Okay, this is come together, the Beatles track. It's the arrangement I've got is Advanced Hire for drum kit, and this is broken down into the sections on the piece. First of all, there's the classic drum phrase at the beginning, which goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's starts with 2 quavers, and it's just mostly triplets, and it's just 4 in the first tom, 3 in the second tom, and 3 on the third tom. After that, the first groove, which is slightly different from the original track, is a bit busier to make it Advanced Higher. So it's just quavers, 8s, but instead on the hi-hat, the right cymbal, it's on the floor tom, like so. Followed by that, at the end of the first section, there's the bit where it's just the drums only, accompanying the vocal, and it's basically just bass drum work. 3, 4. After that first section's repeated. Afterwards, we go on to literally the simplest piece of drumming you'll ever have to do, Advanced Higher, where it's just crotchets on the bass and the snare. Back into the groove. After that, we go on to another verse, back on 8s on the floor tom. A couple of busy fills. I'll let you see this one here. On bar 22, we've got a fill using demi-semi quavers. So we've got coming up now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like so. So that's basically 3 quavers, and then it's into demi-semis. It's doubles on the bass drum, doubles on the snare, back to doubles on the bass drum, then doubles on the tom, doubles on the bass drum, doubles on the tom, and then finishing on a flam. After that, back to 8s again on the floor tom. So forth. 2 bars of the groove. Let's break it up with a fill there, and then we go on to the first solo section, which is a right cymbal groove, 8s, with a bit busier bass drum work. 3, 4. That section, we are back into the 8s on the floor tom. 3, 4. The rest of the piece is then basically repeats of what you've done earlier. You've got the continuous 8th beats on the floor tom. You've got the groove, the opening drum groove. And then you've got the play-out section where the guitar solo is, which is just a variation on the right cymbal rhythm in the first solo with a few fills. First one. And then the